एजुकेशन
ये टॉपिक्स ही है, टेक्नोलॉजिकल इनोवेशन ही है।
टेक्नोलॉजिकल इनोवेशन जो टॉपिक चूज किए हैं, बिकॉज नाउ as you have rightly said, the world is moving in different direction. So all education, a new education policy has launched. Foreign universities also going to become. So the draft guideline has been prepared. So that is the biggest challenge for all educational institutions, how they are making their students to international standard. So our student, our Indian student are more highly skilled than the other country. But only thing, the proper platform needs to be there. So IST is such a professional body who is giving the proper platform by organizing this kind of convention in all over the country in different place where interaction of the students to become under one umbrella and explore their knowledge transfer to each other. We professors, we teachers are there to guide the students. When you come in under one banner, so a lot of discussion will be held, brainstorming will then. Now innovation is one of the important aspect, and the job challenges hazardous is there. That also taking care. Europe, Indian standard, not definite norms have been fixed. And I am telling about the job. There is a crisis. Engineering students का क्या होगा? But IT field में many of the country you might be seen, US developed country, they have removed hire and fire like that. But now the jobs also there. In case of the green field, 5 million jobs are there, because that kind of green field job, we as a teachers with the IST professional are taking the initiative with the ministry that how best the teacher can train in the green field, so student can also be trained so that their life will be more secure, our environment will be more friendly. Rightly said, and luckily today is the world 4th March, which is the program being organized. There is a World Engineers Day on the direction of the UNESCO. The World Engineers Day being celebrated around the world. Why? 1920 this direction has come from UNESCO that the engineers which build the nation, which build the society, their challenges has to be readily admired. And the society, or IST, being the largest professional body, is looking at what it is. I request ऑल जर्नलिस्ट, सभी पत्रकार से हमारा निवेदन है, आप ही लोग सही दिशा में पहुंचा सकते हैं, क्योंकि आप लोग का जो दिशा देंगे वो कॉमन मैन के पास पहुंचेगा. टीचर हैं, क्लासरूम में पढ़ाएंगे, स्टूडेंट कैरी करेंगे, पर पत्रकार का जो इम्पोर्टेंट है, क्या होने जा रहा है, ये कॉमन मैन के पास पहुंचना चाहिए. ये हमारा गुजारिश है, आप लोग पहुंचाएंगे.
नहीं, हम तो कहते हैं कि इंजीनियर्स मेक द वर्ल्ड, और इंजीनियर्स शुड बी सेफ एंड दे शुड बी ऑल्सो हैप्पी.
यस, इंजीनियर सेफ रहेंगे, खाली इंजीनियर अपने के लिए सेफ नहीं रहेंगे, कंट्री को भी सेफ करेंगे, नॉर्मल ह्यूमन बींग को भी सेफ होगा, तभी देश का प्रगति होगा. सभी जनता अगर एक साथ में सेफ रहेगा तभी होगा. बोलते राम राज्य, राम राज्य ही हो जाएगा.
थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर टॉकिंग.